What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're out back at Twin Peaks once again for another great show. We're a little earlier this time than we were last time, so we're gonna get all the cars today. Mr. Black Rose Metallic guys pulling in once again. We got Enzo back in the vlogs, but we're here. Let's go check out some of the stuff. There's lots of cool cars here, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into it. But check shop Cars Across Texas out and get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Enzo will have 20% off, and let's get right to it. Mr. Black Rose guy is on a bead lock. That thing looks so good. So does this. We got, I think this is a new color on the C8s. That's a nice spec. As per usual, the vets are out in numbers. We got this man over here, butterfly doored up and everything, and we got the man in the Mustang rolling out. But of course, Enzo, back in action. He is a turd though. Two very close potential next vehicles for the channel here. We got the C6ZR1 and a GT500. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Which would you take? The C6ZR1 has a place in my heart because, you know, manual vet, and I just don't think there's many cars that look better than a C6ZR1. But then, this is new, and these are crazy easy to make stupid fast. And these wheels are pretty sick on this car. I don't know, which would you choose, boys? Little Porsches rolling out up there. But like I said, this GT500 is on some very sick wheels. And then also we got a GT350 on the HRE flow forms looking pretty mighty fine. Keep on going down the line. You got a little M2 competition. And then next to him, we got a Mustang over here. Single turbo V6, okay. Old school Mama Lona over here. 454, that paint is crazy. The Choppy Boys rolling in. And then behind them, a GT500. Quite nice.
Old, but of course the serial told us.
This color on this Mustang is nuts. Oh my god. The glittery color shift on the carbon fiber accents.
Like that Mystic cover that he's playing.
But like extra crazy.
Pregnant and this is in the way, he has to tie my shoe.
Yeah.
Then we got the homie in the Pro Charge GT350 over here. A Lambo just ripped it out. But this thing is sick. Like super fast. We got a bright yellow little S3 over here. Not an RS3, S3. Still super sick. This color is quite loud. Next to an F8 green red eye. Nice. I hope my camera is doing this color some justice, but this color is crazy. It's like sparkly satin, like tan. You can never underestimate anything in Houston. People make convertibles fast, trucks fast, all sorts of stuff. We got a Guard Green S550 Mustang here. Nice little single turbo setup on it. And I like that the turbo is also powder coated, a similar shade of Guard's green. Got a couple R8s over here, one on some Ferrata wheels, I think. New Gen. This is like the facelifted Gen 2 versus the non-facelifted Gen 2. And then next to them, we got a 427 drop top. Nice. Rare C6 action. I particularly like this a lot. We got the matte gray Termi over here next to the Fox body. We got the coffee and cream ZL1. Looking good. Khaki and Ozotec. Looking good. Then we got the Performance Pack Mustang also rolling out behind him. Oh my goodness. Enzo, you like the Supra, brother. Enzo likes the Supra. Please do not piss on someone's car. So over here, we have a little V6 Challenger. They put a wide body on it. And then, on top of that, they supercharged it. That's pretty sick. You know what's even cooler than anything else I've shown in this video up to this point? This right here. Gen 5 Viper, carbon fiber aero kit on it. Got the front splitter, and you got the TA 1.0 wing back there. So perfect. Drew, you're parked like an asshole over here, sir. This Fox body sounds good. Oh, red ZR1, very nice. Victory red. We got the crazy beadlock drag pack GTR out here with the big old wing out back and everything. Wonder if he's done more stuff to it since the last time we saw him out. But it definitely looks pretty good on the beadlocks. So we got the Mexico Blue R8 up here. This color's just so sick, and he's got like the classic look HREs on it. So even better. But this color, even in the shade, is nuts. And we got a very nice Gen 2 Viper over here looking extra good. He's got like the TA wing on it, which I like a lot. They own a tattoo company. We keep on going down the line of the front row. We got the Plymouth Prowler as well. Former Aggie over here, Gig'em. The interior of a Prowler. I've never seen the inside of a Prowler. Keep on going down here, we got a little 488. And then over yonder, an R8. So we got the homie. He recently, I think he lost the C7Z06. He built a drift car, and I think he traded the drift car for this. So now it's husband and wife in matching C6Zs, but one is NA, one is extraordinarily fast. We got the bright purple NA. This is hers. Then we got the Pro-charged C6Z06 over here. I think this is an F1R head unit too, if I'm not mistaken. What is it? Oh, it's an F1X blower. Still a stupid fast car, probably like 1200 wheel or something like that. I remember seeing this actually for sale. Traded for it. Then over yonder, another one of my favorite cars of all time. We got the Ford GT in red with matte black stripes, 80 V1 wheels, and of course the massive Whipple supercharger back here for a good for I guess 1200 horsepower according to that. Oh my goodness, so simple but so clean, so nice. And then up here we also got the twin turbo car event too. Got some boys sitting over there and a Huracan pulling it. So we're gonna go to the exit now. We got the Rosso Mars Huracan Spider looking good. Two-step-y race fuel boy. This thing's a beauty. Yes, sir. There. Hey, look, it's a Chevy SS. Haha, I'm kidding. That's funny. Got the big blower C3, and then we got wife, husband rolling out. Listen to this damn car, brother! Oh my God! Y'all hear that? One more time! Oh my fucking God! I can't hear! That legitimately hurt my poor ears. I will be deaf by 30. That's just, I have to accept it. Don't need to. There's a cop chilling down there. La Policia. The Turbo V6. The homie in the supercharged Mustang. Damn, son. He sent it for the boys. Uh-oh. That boy legitimately sent it. And there's HPD. A new Aston Martin. Wide body E46? No, it's a wide body 1 Series. We got the golden boy. 69 Camaro. Old Boomer knows how to party. The shifts are just so good on the GT500. They got 5 people in the old Chevelle. Impressive. I will give you that. I guess they are big cars, but I just never see people like roll deep in these. The Viper coming back. This color is crazy though. Nice, man. Son. Damn. Hey, Ellie from High Performance Connection pulling in his new R8. That color is so sick. That color's so crazy. It's Sneaky Snakes. Got a GT500 track pack rolling out, followed by a special edition RCF. I forget what they called that RCF, but it's a special edition. I do know that much. Oh, hell yeah, the big body. Need that exhaust, brother. The supercharged V6 Challenger. Okay.
What's up?
Yo, what's going on, dude? How are you? Oh, we gotta go get this man rolling out. How much power does this thing make? 400 and what?
403 right now.
Okay, okay. Nice, man. Another Ford GT. Hey, it's Ford versus Ferrari. Oh my God, brother. Woo. This color is so crazy, dude. I just can't get over it. It doesn't have much metallic in it, but it doesn't need it because it just stands out so much from the crowd. It's got the white contrast stitching inside. Sheesh. This thing is so sick. Mustang rolling out. Ellie rolling out in the R8. He'll rip it. He always does. The Viper rolling out, the Gen 2. He is definitely cammed. So is this man, judging by that torque converter stutter. Also boosted. Alrighty boys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We've got to get on, get stuff to do today. Super Bowl Sunday today, so we're gonna get on with that stuff. But there's still some cars in the lot, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. Lots of great cars I got to show you all today, and I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace.